Phil Rucker, the White House, according to your reporting, hoping the nation will grow numb to the death toll, hoping to roll out a new kind of PR offensive that we need to learn how to live with it. Part of the genesis of this, I know, was a kind of friend of the court memo that Chris Christie wrote to Donald Trump. The president liked it, had it distributed around his circle in the West Wing. Couple of points here. You can learn to live with it if you're not dead and not afraid of getting it, number one. Number two, what will that message look like in Donald Trump's hands? And frankly, how will it differ from his everyday utterances on this?
Well, Brian, I'm not sure it's going to differ that much from what we've seen so far from the president, who's going about his own political life, holding these rallies, traveling, going to events, trying to get the economy reopened without a whole lot of concern about the coronavirus. He, as you noted a few minutes ago, is going to be going to New Hampshire this weekend for another rally where I guess masks are going to be distributed but not required. And so that's an example of trying to live with it. We also saw from the president today, he wrote in all caps on Twitter that schools ought to reopen in the fall. That's a decision that a lot of municipalities and local and state governments are grappling with at this very hour over the next few weeks to decide whether they can open their schools for the fall semester, which would begin in only a month or two. And so the president's encouraging that. He wants to see this country back and reopened, even though the coronavirus cases are spiking, even though people are dying, even though all the doctors say it's unsafe, and the United States is the only country that can't get control of it because we're moving too quickly to reopen and getting back to normal.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.